Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need. Begin now. First, check settings for SIM card and mobile data on your Oppo, or open the phone app and tap Call Settings. Once there, locate Wi-Fi calling or VO Wi-Fi. It may be nested under your SIM name. Disable the Wi-Fi calling toggle immediately. If a carrier prompt appears, decline or choose Turn Off. Make sure you watch for per SIM toggles. Some phones store Wi-Fi calling per line, so repeat for each active SIM. Once Wi-Fi calling is off, continue by disabling VO LTE if your carrier links features together. Go to Settings, right arrow SIM card, and Mobile Data, right arrow the SIM name, right arrow Advanced, then switch VO LTE / Enhanced 4G off. Next, open Apps, right arrow Phone, right arrow Storage, and clear data / defaults to stop auto provision scripts. If your carrier installed an APN or provisioning profile, edit or delete that APN under Mobile Network, right arrow access point names. These finish by rebooting your Oppo to apply changes, then test on a known Wi-Fi network to confirm calls use Cellular. If Wi-Fi calling still appears, reset network settings from Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options, but backup saved networks first. Make sure your firmware is updated, because older builds sometimes misreport toggles. Troubleshooting tip: if the Wi-Fi calling option is missing or grayed out, call your carrier. They can remove provisioning from their side, or provide a carrier reset to stop VO Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.